Hello, my name is Corinne, and this video is a part of science project. And we're going to talk about why do we get hiccups.
Hello, my name is Fla, and I'm going to talk about what is hiccups.
Hi, my name is Salin พูดอะไรอ่ะโอเคพอแล้วทีเชอร์ อะไร อ๋อ why do we get hiccups
Hello, my name is Bobby. Today I will talk about how do we stop hiccup.
And now enjoy watching our videos.
What is a hiccup? Hiccups is a reflection of the body by which the body protects itself. In a normal way, when we breathe, the diaphragm pulls down. When we inhale, to let the air in, and then we relax. When we exhale, to let the air flow out of our lungs, nose, and mouth.
Why do we get hiccups Why do we get hiccups Why do we get hiccups Why do we get hiccups? Because there is something irritates our diaphragm, so it can spasm. It's forcing we to suddenly suck air into our throat, and it hits the voice box and make a hic sound.
The causes of the hiccups. So first, hiccups is a symptom. So there are many reasons that can cause it. Some of them are from physical and some of them are from emotional. And these are the common reasons that can cause it. Number one, when you're eating something too much or too quickly. Number two, when you're feeling nervous or excited. Number three, when you feel stressed. Number four, when you're drinking too much alcohol.
Hello, my name is Bobby. So today I will talk about how to stop hiccup. Some people say if you are hopping upside down or someone scare you, you could stop your hiccup. But no scientific proof that will be good. So today I will talk the best way to stop hiccup is during cool water, because cool water will stop the irritation that produce diaphragm. If you have hiccup for more than one day, you should go to see a doctor to check it if there is anything wrong.